Three safest ways to make money on cryptocurrency investment. In this video, I'm going to show you three safest ways you can invest and make money in cryptocurrency. This method I'm about to show you has about 70% possibility of making profit for you.
This video is being sponsored by Sharpron Jet Token. For partnership and investment, please email support@sharpronjettoken.com, Telegram at SJ@SP.
Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Richard. If you are new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button, and also like this video so that YouTube can share this video to more people. Let's get down to business. A lot of people have lost thousands of dollars in crypto trading and investment. Some of these losses was as a result of investing in a wrong crypto project, while others was as a result of scam. There are many ways to make money in crypto, but this method I'm about to show you right now is among the best. Taking part in a new crypto project is one of the safest ways to make money in crypto investment. There are two means through which you can make money in crypto projects. Number one is by starting your own crypto project, and number two is by investing in ongoing crypto projects. First of all, I want you to understand that all these coins and tokens you buy and trade in crypto exchange like Binance, Coinbase, Bitmart, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and so on. All these coins and tokens are being created by someone like you, and you can also create yours if you have the money and the knowledge. The first thing is to have the knowledge, and second one is to have the money for marketing, liquidity, and exchange listing. Once you have all these things, you are ready to go. You are ready to create and launch your own token and start making money. For more details on how to start a crypto project, or if you want to partner with me for your crypto project, send me a message on my Telegram. You can also comment in the comment section, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. The second option through which you can make money in crypto projects is by investing in ongoing projects. There are many websites called Launchpad where you can buy new tokens at a cheaper price and then sell it in a higher price when listed in exchange. Those Launchpad include PinkSell, DXSell, Unicrypt Network, Gympad, Westpad, Brightpad, Binance Launchpad, and so many others. Before investing in any project, please make your own personal research and make sure that this project is good and worth your investment. You need to check the project website, the Telegram community, and other social media handles. Also, you have to check the pre-sale details such as DS and CS listing, how many tokens for sale, and the vetting. When you have checked everything and everything looks good to you, then you can use money in your wallet to buy those tokens. When these tokens are being listed in the exchange, you can sell and make your profit. Also, any project you invest in, try and make sure that you enjoy their Telegram community so that any announcement will be following up with the announcement and every other update about the token. The second safest ways to make money in crypto investment is to buy a token and hold it for a longer period of time before selling it. For example, in 2021, I bought a token called Baby Dogo. I bought the token with $80 and later sold this token at $500. I made a profit of $420 within 2 months. Sometimes when you buy a token, the price will appreciate, while sometimes when you buy a token, the price will depreciate. So before you buy any token to hold, make sure you have done your personal research so that you will not lose your money. As at the time of publishing this video, I can recommend Shiba and BNB coin as a token for a long time hold. Other safe ways to invest and make money in crypto include staking and crypto lending. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos. Also like this video so that YouTube can share it to more people. Thank you so much.